2025 beat you down. I know it did. The losses, the failures, the moments he questioned everything, the nights he couldn't sleep, the days you wanted to quit. But what if I told you that everything that broke you this year was preparing you for the man you're about to become? You're not the same person who started 2025. You can't be. This year changed you. The question is, did it make you weaker, or did it forge something stronger? I think you know the answer. Every setback taught you something. Every failure showed you what doesn't work. Every heartbreak revealed what you actually need. Every rock bottom showed you how to climb. You didn't just survive this year, you gathered weapons. Now, 2026 is here, and you have a choice. You can carry the pain of 2025 into the new year. Let it define you. Let it limit you. Walk into January with your head down, expecting more of the same. Or you can use it. Every scar becomes armor. Every lesson becomes strategy. Every breakdown becomes the foundation for a breakthrough. The man who enters 2026 isn't the same man who entered 2025. He's been tested. He's been tempered. He knows things now that he didn't know before. That's not weakness. That's power. If you're watching this on the edge of the new year, feeling the weight of what you've been through, listen to me. You're exactly where you need to be. Follow this channel because 2026 is about to be different. Here's what I want you to do before midnight. First, write down everything 2025 took from you. The relationship that ended, the opportunity that fell through, the version of yourself that died, the dreams that didn't happen. Write it all. Don't hold back. Let yourself feel the weight of it one last time, then burn it. Literally. Safely. Watch it turn to ash. That chapter is over. You're not carrying it into the new year. Second, write down who you're becoming in 2026. Not goals. Not resolutions. Identity. Who is the man you're becoming? How does he carry himself? What does he tolerate? What does he refuse to accept? That's your target. Not achievements. Transformation. Third, choose one non-negotiable, one thing you will do every single day, no matter what. Not 10 habits. One. Maybe it's the gym. Maybe it's reading. Maybe it's working on your business. One thing that the 2026 version of you does without exception. Start January 1st. Don't break the chain. Fourth, cut one thing that held you back in 2025. One person, one habit, one pattern, one excuse. You know what it is? It just came to mind. That thing is not coming with you into 2026. Decide now. Fifth, tell someone your vision, not social media. One person you trust. Tell them who you're becoming. Make it real by speaking it out loud. Accountability changes everything. 2025 broke you in ways you didn't expect, but broken isn't the end. It's the beginning. Gold has to be melted to be purified. Steel has to be hammered to become a blade. You had to break to become unbreakable. 2026 is your year. Not because it'll be easy, because you're finally ready for what's hard. The man who walks into January has been through fire, and men who've been through fire don't burn anymore. They become the flame. Let's go.